好，我们再请君他介绍一下这个 Matsu Temple 是什么东西。
呀，这是我们妈祖庙的就是说这后面我们妈祖，那左右两边呢，就是它的护卫是一个千里眼，一个是顺风耳，那就是在看还有倾听这个民生的这个需要他帮忙的时候，那其他这三位呢，还有右边这三位，这个是三太子，那我们也有电音三太子，就是说可以随着音乐，然后在游行庙会的时候呢，就是说提供一些就是说 entertainment 这样子。那另外这两个呢是就是说他的神童，呀。
那 Matsu Temple 现在在旧金山吗？还是？
对，现在在旧金山30号Beckett Street。那我们就说从北港妈祖分灵到美国来已经30几年。那之前我们也有就说返台进香团，然后回北港去。
所以Matsu Temple 是is open to the public.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a non-profit organization open to the public.
Okay. Very cool. All right, Matsu Temple in San Francisco, open to the public. You guys should check it out.
Show of hands. Couple people. Most of you are feeling a little bit shy today, or maybe you're in line for the food. But in any case, there are our proud food vendor for this year's festival, and they are very excited to offer a super unique menu that has been